Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over the new feature which allows you to import data from the CBP website, such as the most recent I-94 and the travel history. Now, in order to use this feature, you must be signed up to the option module titled eFile, as this feature uses the e-filing application to import I-94 information into a client's profile. Let us log into the caseworker portal. The first thing we want to do is download the e-filing application. Let us go to the tools to the left and select e-filing. You will then see the launch button. Proceed with downloading and installing the e-filer. Please note that if you already have the e-filer downloaded, you do not have to download it again. Once the e-filer is downloaded, let us locate it on the desktop and launch the application. You'll be first asked to enter your website name, which is your URL. If you do not know it, you can go back to the area to download the e-filer and the website name will be listed. Once you input the website name, click on Login. You will then be asked to enter your caseworker portal credentials. Proceed with entering your credentials and select Login. You are now logged into the e-filing application. Once logged in, you will see a Tools icon. If clicked, it will show the option to import data from CBP. Click on it. A pop-up will appear. The first thing it will ask is to search for the client in your caseworker portal. Once finding a match, click on the name. You will then be asked to verify their information such as their name and birth date. You will also see their alien number or passport information if those are in the client's profile. If you are unsure, you can always click on View Full Profile, which will open the client's profile in your web browser to view or make any updates. Once you can confirm the information is correct, you will select either their alien number or passport information to import using that information and click on Next. You will now see two options, Most Recent I-94 and Travel History. You can select either or both to import and you will finalize by clicking Import. You will then see the status change to Completed, which means the software has successfully found that information on the CBP website. If it did not, you will get a pop-up letting you know to verify that information is correct. Let us proceed and click on Next. On the next page, you will see the most recent I-94 if you selected that in the last screen, and you will see the travel history. You will then pair the travel history, selecting when they departed the US and matching it to when they arrived. You will click on Add. You will then see it listed below, and it will include how many total days they were out of the country. Once you have all your abroad trips and most recent I-94, you will click on Save. You will get a pop-up to confirm, and once clicking OK, you'll be brought to a screen where the status will say the I-94 and abroad trips were saved. If you go back into the client profile, you will now see the abroad trips saved in the abroad trips section of the client's profile, and the I-94 information will be saved in the document section of the client's profile, specifically the I-94 section. This concludes our video on importing data from the CBP website.